FLIR tools can be used to analyze thermal images from FLIR cameras. You can adjust the level and span, change the color palette, measure temperatures using a variety of tools, and you can edit images stored using the new MSX and Sketch camera modes. To begin your thermal analysis, double-click on an infrared image from the image library. The level and span can be automatically adjusted or manually adjusted by dragging these slider bars. This is often referred to as thermal tuning and can help greatly with image interpretation. You can also select from a variety of color palettes. The best palette depends largely on user preference, although some palettes have more contrast, which can help with image interpretation and thermal analysis. A variety of tools can be placed on the image in order to measure temperatures. The area box can be used to measure the minimum, maximum, and average temperature inside the region of interest. The spot meter can measure a single point anywhere on the image. Measurement results are shown in the table to the right of the image. Object parameters such as emissivity and reflected temperature can be easily changed to ensure accurate measurements. Changes are instantly applied to the image, and the measurements are adjusted accordingly. Once your thermal analysis is complete, you can save and close the image. Now you can return to the library and open another image from the same folder or from a different folder. On this image, we may be interested in measuring the temperature rise in order to determine the severity of the fault. FLIR Tools has a delta tool that can automatically calculate the temperature rise between any two measurement tools. From the table, you can edit the delta T and use these pull-down menus to select the tools for the temperature rise calculation. This is correct, so I don't need to make any changes. For reporting purposes, you may want to add some notes to describe your findings. If you click the clipboard and click the plus, you can add a new text annotation. You can type the desired text into the label and value field. Click the plus to add another row. Text annotations are saved with the image and can be displayed in reports created by Tools and Reporter. Using FLIR tools, you can view images stored in the new MSX mode. This camera mode can resolve details in the image that are impossible to see using a standard infrared camera. MSX images are radiometric, so thermal tuning and temperature measurement are possible, just like with a standard infrared image. The sketch mode utilizes touchscreen technology, allowing the camera operator to draw directly on the camera's LCD screen to add an arrow or some other identifying mark to the image. FLIR tools can be used to show or hide the sketch. Since it is a radiometric image, thermal analysis and temperature measurement are still possible.